Oh hey, hi, I'm Jalen Johnston. I just finished my first scratch build of my first PC ever, and it's given me fits. I'll give you a quick rundown. So I've got the Gigabyte Z87X-UD7 TH motherboard in there. It is in the Corsair Carbide 500 case, which is pretty cool. Corsair AX760 power supply. There is underneath this here Corsair H80i water cooling system, an i7 4770K processor. Got way too much RAM because I'm going to be doing a bit of rendering video. And then of course, I've got this incredible EVGA GTX 780 Ti super clocked gaming graphics card. Got two solid state drives because I intend for it to be a dual boot machine. So those are the Samsung 840 EVOs in there. And check it out. Got it all hooked up, got it all prim and proper, and cable management all taken care of. Went to boot it for the first time, and here's what happens. Yeah, that's right. So, according to the manual, it's a dual BIOS motherboard, which is what I wanted because I want it to be a dual boot machine, right? Not that really matters, but just for configurability and all that fun stuff. Now, these are the LEDs, which are supposed to indicate which BIOS it is booting off of. One of the features of this here Gigabyte motherboard is that if it cannot find a BIOS, it will search the other for it and try to copy it over. That's at least my layman's understanding of it. And looks like what's happening is it can't find a BIOS on the first chip, so it's searching for a backup BIOS, not finding it, and going back and forth and playing BIOS ping pong. Again, this is my first assembly, first build. Obviously, I went a little bit big with all this high-end stuff that's in here, but I don't know, guys. What do you think? Am I totally screwed? Is there something that I have neglected to do that I need to be doing? I did unplug all the SATA stuff and all this USB stuff and basically everything that wasn't essential to the motherboard and try to allow it to power on self-test. And this is it. That's what happened. Same thing. So, I don't know. I have no idea if I'm screwed. But I'm feeling at this point like I probably am. So what do you think, guys? Expert opinions? Knowledgeable folk out there? Do I actually have to pull this thing all apart and send that motherboard back to the manufacturer? Help. Okay, thanks. Okay, bye.